Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at a project I call Assistant. It's a work in progress, but let's take a look. It's built off of several main components. You have a trigger script that listens for this. You've got a ear script that watches for the trigger that this produces. Then we've got a whisper script. And finally the brain script, which does the logic processing and LM processing. Type in a joke. Read selected text.
Elden Ring.
Read highlighted text.
Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems.
Minimize window.
Window minimized.
Alright, so the way this all works is there's two main AI script loops. There's an evaluate loop, which runs a bunch of bash commands to try to figure out an environment. So if you say what time it is, it's going to run date and pass it on to the next AI. The next AI's prompt is a Linux administrator expert. This is what's going to actually execute the final command to do the user's wish. So the first one gathers data, the second one actually executes tasks. And it works pretty well. As you can see, it's a little bit glitchy. Got a ways to go. But it's fully open source. You can take a look at it now. Do an outro for me. Say thanks for watching and bye.
Thanks for watching, bye.